guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun tag video. So this is a couponer tag 2019. So Mama Maid tagged me in this couponer tag. So thank you so much for tagging me, and I will go ahead and leave her original video linked below if you guys want to check it out. And I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into the questions. So first question is, which store do you coupon at? So I will coupon anywhere. Anywhere that has a coupon, I will coupon at. But my main go-to stores are CVS, now Walgreens. I've been hopping back into Walgreens and I'm really loving it. I love couponing at Albertsons, and I like couponing at Target, and I will coupon at Walmart. I am not scared of any of those stores. I'm not scared to coupon anywhere. I've even couponed at the Dollar Tree. Like, I have no problem going into any store that accepts manufacturer coupons and couponing there, because if anyone like gives me problems, all I do is pull up the coupon policy and then I'm good to go. And I like to try to shop during like business hours of like the corporate. So if there's really an issue, I can just say, all right, well, let's give corporate a call and let's see what they have to say. So tip if you want to, you know, yeah. Okay, so who taught me how to coupon? My mom taught me how to coupon, you guys. My mom is the original couponer. Here, I actually have a picture of my mom. This is a picture of my mom and I have this in my bookshelf, and she is actually the keeper of the never expiring Pampers and Huggies coupons. So she passed along these never expiring coupons to me, and it's one of the things I treasure the most in like my possessions is my never expiring coupons. So my mom is the one who taught me how to coupon. What is your opinion about taking peelies? Depends on how good the peelie is, honestly. Most of the times I don't take peelies, but for example, I was in Target a week ago and I saw a 75% off coupon for Ragu, and I like the Ragu Simply pasta sauce, so I snagged this, especially since it doesn't expire until 2020. So I picked like 4 of these up because I use the Simply Ragu pasta sauce, and that one tends to be more expensive. So if I can have a peelie to help offset the cost, I'm gonna take it. Okay. If you could pick one place to coupon, where would it be at? Definitely Target, because you can coupon for like everything there. You got your clothes, your shoes, your beauty products, you have your food, you have everything that you can think of to coupon for. So definitely Target. What was your favorite couponing deal of all time? Oh man, that's a hard one. Couponing deal of all time. Probably, okay, yeah, definitely. Funny story, when I was super pregnant with Sawyer, I was super pregnant, and I tried to do a buy one, get one free Beneful dog deal with a buy one, get one free Beneful coupon. Like, it was a killer deal. I needed to stock up on dog food. The first manager like wouldn't let me do it, and I was super pissed about it because I was really pregnant. And like I went on this like Twitter rant and everything. Like, usually my rants happen when I'm super pregnant. When I was pregnant with Tanner, I did like a Target rant from like my worst experience at Target. If you guys haven't watched that video, it's pretty funny. I'll have it linked below for you guys. But yeah, it was a buy one, get one free sale on Beneful dog food. And then it was a buy one, get one free coupon. So that was a killer deal for me on dog food. What is something you buy whether or not you have a coupon for it? Heavy whipping cream. I have to have heavy whipping cream. I buy heavy whipping cream without coupons all the time. So that would be it. Do you have a dedicated room for your stockpile, or are things spread out throughout your house? My things are spread out throughout my house. I have like a little bookshelf in my garage, like a storage unit in my garage. But I like stockpile in different areas of my house. So I have a little stockpile in our bathroom for bathroom stuff. I have stockpile for like cleaning stuff below, and then up here in our cupboard. So it's definitely scattered about. Who was the first coupon YouTuber you started watching? Colin from Hip to Save. And in the CVS realm, couponing with Tony, and Jeff Stays with Coupons. Do your friends and family know about your YouTube channel? Heck yes, they do. Everyone knows about my YouTube channel that knows about me. One, because I blasted all over Facebook and Instagram. So A few people have actually like unfollowed me like in my private life because they're like, you post too much, and I'm like, I'm a couponer, like what do you expect? Of course I'm gonna post a lot. Shout out a subscriber who frequently comments on your videos. Oh man, definitely Laura from Irvine. Laura, if you're watching, you're gonna be my Vegas buddy. And also Misty Jones, she comments a lot too. If you do this tag, please comment on this video. I will make a master. Okay, so now I need to tag someone. So I'm gonna tag Ravi. So he does a lot of Rite Aid. So I told you ahead of time I was gonna tag you. So you are it. I tag you. You are it. I'm gonna have these questions linked below so you can go ahead and answer them. So thank you so much, Mama Maid, for tagging me in this video. And I'm sorry it took me like over a month to get this done, but I'm getting it done. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day with whatever you're doing. Make sure you check out Mama Maid, and go ahead and check out Ravi too, because he kills it in Rite Aid all the time. He has a great Instagram and he has a great channel as well. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.